What's going on in here? Oh, this is how she stretch in the morning, y'all. The noodle stretch. And I can't say nothing about your big old leg because they be hating when I say stuff about your big old leg. You look like a Thai superhero. I'm ready to jump on. Y'all ready to get out the Matrix?
Get over here!
I'm the Travel OG, and I traded in my Hollywood lifestyle for the sexy beaches of Pattaya, Thailand. We're bringing you exclusive interviews, showing you what the golf courses are like, the caddies are like, what the homies like. Zoom to Thailand with your man, Richie Mack, the Travel OG.
All right.
Man, you know what I was thinking about, El? It's like, Thai people gotta learn so many different languages. They gotta learn German, Russian, Chinese, Japanese, India, English, and then English, we have like 4 different styles of English with different accents, with different words. So people don't understand how hard it is to like, for Thai people, because they trying to adapt to every country that comes out here, man, and it's hard.
Some Thai lady have boyfriend. Just boyfriend, German. Thai lady go learn for talk German. Have boyfriend for Chinese, go learn for talk Chinese. Learn more for boyfriend. Some boyfriend not learn. A Thai lady want to learn.
That's why Elle went to school learning English.
Yeah. Same. Me go want to school for English more. Same.
Right. And then black people, we got our own language, you know?
Yes, I go want to learn. I go want to know more,
Like we say, this is lit. You know what that means? See? Like little words, like people in America, like if other people in America learn our words, then we make new words. You know what a baby mama is? You know what that is? See? We take English and make it cool. You know what I mean? The words are cool. Like when you listen to hip hop, you know, we make things cool.
We beat to rap, what key beat to lock.
We about to go eat. I'm gonna show you guys this restaurant that Aaron hooked us up with. Shout out to Aaron. It's a really good restaurant. We play this place after golf. It's got a little bit of everything. I don't remember the name of it. I'm gonna tell y'all the name when we get there. Y'all ready? We here now. It's called A&E X Steakhouse. And they got more than steak, man. They got a bunch of good stuff there. You know it's good when it's a lot of Thai people. When the Thai people show up, you know it's good. This is my man.
My name is JJ. I'm single.
Why are you single?
Yes.
All these beautiful Thai ladies here, you single. How?
Oh, I know. Yes, because no money, no honey. Sure.
Hey, and he said L's a good choice. She a good choice?
Hey, this one. I mean food.
Oh, I thought you meant L.
She's a good choice. This one.
Oh, that's the one she picked. You picked that one? I thought you picked this one. Oh, okay.
Very good.
Oh, you want both? Okay. All right, the true test if the food is good is if L likes it, because she's Thai. We Americans, we don't know no better, but we're going to see if L likes it. We just ordered a little appetizer. It tastes like Burger King onion rings. It tastes like the ones in Burger King. This is what L got. L got the salmon with the shrimp. L don't usually get salmon. L, say shout out to Aaron.
Shout out to Ellie.
Yeah. I got the salmon with the dill. She got the salmon with the shrimp. You dig? We also got the ribeye. I had to try the ribeye with the gravy. Thais be good with the gravy. They be rocking the gravy. And yes, she's cutting it for me. And don't get mad that you cut my meat for me. That's for me?
Yep.
Okay. You know they're gonna get mad because you cut my food. place is a hit. I liked it. Sure, I'm talking about the next time we come back. What you gonna get the next time, nigga?
Next time I come back, I speak Thai food.
You gonna try the Thai food, huh?
I want to try Thai food.
Couldn't quite finish off the salmon and the steak, but that will go to the house with the gravy. What's good?
Good, but good.
Taco cab. Taco cab. That's what Elle looked like after she finished eating. Her stomach stays the same, but mine gets bigger. How come your stomach stays the same and mine get bigger? Here, put the camera on me. Look how my stomach gets bigger.
Big.
Go for it like a gentleman. And then smack that. Smack that. Then I smack that. Your ass in the car. It's in the car. Pull on that ponytail. She's now pulling that out.
One.
No. Ding dong.
Good boy.
Good Lord, I mean stop.
Bye.
All right, bye now. Show us some car. What do you think? You think it's harder to learn English or harder to learn Thai?
Just for me Thai easy for me, but but English not easy for me.
No, Thai not easy at all. Thai not easy. That's another thing too, man. You guys come out here, man. If you got it wherever you go, I don't care if it's Thailand, Colombia, Brazil, man. You guys gotta incorporate as much of that language as you can. It's gonna make your trip so easy because Americans, we arrogant. We think just everybody speaks English because we Americans, we the shit. But it's not like that, man. These people gotta adapt a bunch of language. Try going over to Colombia or Brazil, see how much English they speak. And you gotta adapt. You go to Brazil, you gotta learn that tutu bang. You gotta learn. You go to Colombia, like hola, cómo estás? Like you gotta learn. It's just the basics. That's why I try to tell you guys, man. But because everybody's not gonna be as accommodating as like Thai people. Now, if you go to the Philippines, they got to jump on everybody because they speak English pretty much there, unless you go to like remote islands and stuff like that. But the major cities, Manila and all that, they speak English. But in Thailand, how many Thai people speak English, Elle?
Oh, but now Thai people have to Thai and English together, But want to learn more,
See, my key, I'm gonna tell you guys something, man. I'm not the tallest guy in the world. I'm not the most handsome guy in the world. But the key to women, man, if you make them smile, you make them laugh, you in there. You know what I mean? But if you go to a country where they can't understand the language, the jokes don't work. So you ain't got that going for you. So it's like you want to at least learn, or at least show them you're trying, man, because this is a wonderful place, man. But if you can't communicate, it makes a big ass difference, man. So you know what you got to say?
Dream music.
Soon to Thailand, hope you coming too. Richie Mac, travel OG with celebrity interviews. Get your passport, let's go. This is what you need for sure. Brothers in Thailand and bikini babes at the beach. If you need more, he got it poppin'. Caddy of the day, we golfing. Really ain't a better option. Time to travel, like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Let's connect. Richie Mac, yeah, we steady vibing. Take a journey, let's get moving, cause we zooming right to Thailand. Hey, Richie Mac, travel OG, let's go.
Make sure to like, subscribe, and notify. The algorithm is real. I gotta finish these ACA awards. Can you say ACA awards?
ACA award.
Yeah. I should have you give out an award, huh? They might want to see that. L give out an award, huh? I gotta work on that. Man, so do you remember Jerry? He had the girlfriend? You know he got engaged in 17 days?
He was happy.
Getting engaged make you happy? That's what you think?
I think some people, yeah.
Really?
Yes.
17 days, that's too fast for me.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
Some people think not fair, some people think fair. I don't know.
I don't know.
People
Would you get engaged in 17 days?
Mine.
See? That's what I'm saying.
No.
That's what I'm saying. I don't know about 17 days. But let's take a look. Let's take a look and see if because people might not believe that he got engaged 17 days, man. I got a video. Me and Elle went out and we met up with Jerry and his 17-day fiance.
Yeah.
And and that's what they said. Noodle say 17-day fiance.
17-day Beyonce.
You said Beyonce?
What?
Fiance.
Fiance.
Say 17-day fiance.
17-day fiance.
Shy.